Hello everyone. Welcome to another video of OptiTrail Training and Consultancy. Thinking about getting PMP certified but unsure about the requirements? Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about PMP eligibility, training, and exam costs, tailored for professionals in Bangladesh. Let's get started. Eligibility requirements. If you have a bachelor's degree, you need 36 months of project management experience, 35 hours of formal project management education. If you don't have a bachelor's degree, you need 60 months of project management experience, 35 hours of formal training options in Bangladesh. You must complete 35 contact hours of project management education. Good news! OptiTrail Training and Consultancy Ltd provides PMI-aligned training programs in Bangladesh, both online and offline options. Exam application process. Apply online through PMI.org. Submit your experience details and education certificates. PMI will review and approve your application. Once approved, schedule your exam either at home or at Pearson VUE Test Center in Dhaka. Cost breakdown. PMI membership. Optional. Around $139 exam fee. Member. $405 exam fee. Non-member. $555. Now you know exactly what's needed to start your PMP journey. If you're ready to move forward, OptiTrail is here to help you with expert guidance, training, and full support. Visit www.optitrailgroup.com or email us at info@optitrailgroup.com.